What's he calling you for?
Good as mine, dude.
Dude, straight up tell that boy you want nothing to do with him.
Fucking ridiculous. Check this. Come on and check this shit out, dude. On left.
I already have.
I like that setup though.
Clean.
Yeah. Real clean.
I'm digging the rims.
Yeah.
Oh, immensely. Dude,
I like the stance on this one, look.
I'm not a fan of that with camera though.
but I like it.
I'm a fan of that. Judging.
Fuck the bull. Oh. Alright, anyways. Fuck the bullshit. Bro, that's low.
Yeah, it's low.
You know why? Those Infinity seats look really comfortable.
They do.
I need new seats for my car.
Now see this setup, I like the setup on this one, the engine bay.
What's up?
I love the setup on this engine bay.
I like that.
Now,
Zip tie stitching.
that's freaking huge, dude.
That's fucking gorgeous. I like the top plate.
And we got some others out here, but they're not as clean.